Tampa's top game trucks, we've selected the best in the bay, saving you time to pick the best and forget the rest. Top 3, eMobileParty.com, MobileVideoParty.com, and the Game Herd. The Game Herd is Florida's longest running video game truck, family friendly, built for intimate party experiences. MVP, everyone gets their own gamer chair, 4 TVs on the inside with all the latest consoles and games, a 5th TV blasting away your favorite movie with theater surround sound. E-Mobile Party, check out the biggest and best video game trailer in the entire coast. Has 8 TVs on the inside, bench seating for all your friends, and dual air conditioning to keep it cool. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.